Hello! Let's learn some colors. Purple color, light green color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, dark blue color, violet color, yellow color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. Violet color. A for apple. Purple color. B for box. Sky blue color. C for cap. Red color. D for dog. Orange color. E for elephant. Light green color. F for flowers. Let's learn some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15. A red color. Number 1. Number 1. Violet color. Number 2. Number 2. Light green color. Number 3. Number 3. Dark green color. Number 4. Number 4. Pink color. Number 5. Number 5. Sky blue color. Number 6. Number 6. Black color. Number 7. Number 7. Orange color. Number 8. Number 8. Yellow color. Number 9. Number 9. Purple color. Number 10. Number 10. Dark blue color. Number 11. Number 11. Violet color. Number 12. Number 12. Yellow color. Number 13. Number 13. Orange color. Number 14. Number 14. Dark blue color. Number 15. Number 15. Let's count the number again. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15. Hello! Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, brown color, violet color, yellow color, light green color, black color, red color, purple color, dark blue color, dark green color. Let's try to learn some 2D shapes. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Red color, triangle, light green color, square, yellow color, circle, violet color, hexagon, purple color, star, sky blue color, pentagon. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.